Hello? Where are you?
My queen, I am currently trapped in a metallic prison.
What are you doing there?
I am stuck in traffic, but my soul is already sitting next to you.
Did you move ahead at all?
No, I am still waiting. The cars are frozen, but my love for you keeps melting.
Oh no. Please come home soon.
If I could fly, I would abandon this car right now and crash land through our living room window just to see your face.
Dinner is ready at home.
Good, because I am starving for your cooking and your smile. Are you sure you're not a magician? Because every time I think of you, everyone else on this road disappears.
Are you very far now?
No, but the world is blocking my way.
Can you take another road?
No, all roads are blocked. It's a parking lot out here.
That is really not good.
I am feeling very tired.
Please reach home safely.
I'm trying my best, darling. My body is tired, but my heart is running a marathon toward you. Look, the traffic is finally moving a little bit now.
Drive slowly and carefully.
I am driving very slowly.
Did you cross the market?
Yes, I just crossed it. I am breaking through the barriers of time and space for you.
I am waiting for you.
I will reach very soon.
Be careful on the road.
I am watching the road.
I hear many car horns.
Yes, the world outside is so noisy.
Are you near home now?
Yes, I am close now.
I am opening the door.
And I am parking the car.
Welcome home, you crazy romantic. I love you.
I love you too. Hey, quick question for everyone watching. What's the craziest thing you've ever done for love? Or has anyone ever said something this smooth to you?
Drop your stories in the comments below. We are reading and replying to all of them.